Hi guys, this is Love Journey's channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a stitch color bracelet. I have like a little keychain that there's like a little pink stitch one that I took the charm off. I'm gonna show you how you make a stitch bracelet cover with this, and we're gonna add beads too. So the charm is at the end. So first, let's open all the rubber bands. Okay, first one, which is blue. That's my favorite color too. Subscribe to this channel if you like bracelets and make them. Make sure you come over and make them with me. Now red is finally done. Now let's do the pink one. Now I'm gonna do a whole pattern, and we're gonna add some beads too. This is gonna be the first pink since it's being borrowed. Take one red, two pinks, two pinks, two reds, and two blues. I'm gonna make a stitch bracelet today. The final blue. Well, it's not the same blue as this one, but I also have jobs just making videos, but I'm still having a lot of fun. Ooh. Okay, so first we're gonna do my fingers today. This is the bracelet that we made the other day before. Okay, so first we take one blue rubber band exit, and then take a red rubber band, put it over without ever Xing it, and then you unwrap it and wrap it. You take a pink, do the same thing with the blue, and then put it over and put it over. And if you want, if you do like one layer and then another layer, you can do that too. And then we take a blue and don't exit. Boop and loop. And then you take another blue, and then you do this and this. Okay. Now you take the red, and then you do this and this. Now you take the pink, this, and you cannot do the X's too. But on the first one, like this one, you have to do the X. But you don't have to do the X on like these ones. Like, you don't have to do it like this and then put it over. But definitely for the first one, like this one. For one example, if you put this rubber band without Xing it, and you put the next rubber band, and if you do that, this happens, and it comes all the way off. So you gotta try and exit. Okay. So first we need glue anyways. I think. Okay, I think it's done now. Okay, actually, one more layer. And now half without beads, and we're gonna do more layers, but with beads. And I'll pick a blue rubber band. The glittery blue looks good. No, wait. Yeah, this one looks good.
Oh my God!
Never mind. Let's take another blue rubber band. I need bead. And you do, first you put the bead over like this into the middle. And then you make sure that this is like this. And this part is like this. Okay. Now we take another red rubber band. Oh, it came back. Oh. Now is there any red? Yep, this one here. Red. Yay, red! Sorry, red dropped. Hold on, I'll be right back. The red bead. Okay, I was just getting the bead that dropped. Okay, let's get back started. Always dropping. Maybe we're gonna have to use pink. Wait, did I forget? Pink. Once again, we'll take another red rubber band. The other one's off. Well, we don't need any. Red! Sorry, I closed my eyes on that one. This one's gonna be the best. This one's gonna be better than this one. This one's worth keeping. This one is gonna be mine. Well, if it doesn't fit, it's not mine. Yeah, got everything you need. Marina, you need. Just what you need. Okay, and then we take this ribbon. Actually, this pink looks good, not this one. Isn't there a glittery pink? Oh, the white pink. White. Oh, purple. Wait. Yay, white. White pink. I love white pink. White is my favorite color. Well, white pink, yeah. I like white pink, dark pink, light blue, and dark blue. And I like light purple and dark purple. Those are all my favorite colors. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because we're going to make more bracelets together.
Oh my God!
Okay, this was the last one. A little bit. Is this good? And I'm gonna wear this bracelet the whole time. Like, I have like a little class named KidsFun. I'm gonna wear it all day in KidsFun. Or, well, I'm gonna give it to Mom so nothing gets lost. And I was gonna bring like little stuffy too. Well, it's not a party, but it's really fun. And subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you want to go to KidsFun or make bracelets with me. Well, okay, so this is how it's going. I think it's done. Well, it looks good. So let's use one empty rubber band. Oh, we don't need this one. Let's just throw that one.
Oh my God!
Okay, but all the way under there. Now it's time. Let's finally tie it up. These two parts, do this, and then let it go, tied. Now it's not gonna come out. Then there's no S6, so let me get the S6 in my face. Let me get the S6 right now. Or C hook or something. It's like a little sleigh hook. I like to call it sleigh hook because look, it looks like a sleigh. Oh, I forgot. We need to add the charm. So we don't take that. Add the charm to the pink. Since the face is all pink. Okay. Sometimes it hurts some people's nails too. Subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Hit that like button if you think I look cute with this on. and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's finally time to tie it up. Let's see how it looks on me. If this looks good on me, you have to subscribe and hit that like button. If you like it, then press the subscribe button. Let's see if it looks good. I'm gonna close my eyes. There's a charm on the front. Open. Nope. Yay! It looks great on me. Subscribe to this channel if you like this creation. And if you have a keychain that has a charm, you can use this for your bracelets. Bye, guys.
Bye!